got some rockers and hellhounds. Today's pretty awesome because I got my pants. That'll be like an unboxing video. So yeah, it's from Vampirefreaks. So I think I do good. A lot of rents and the bills, and I think it's nice to just, you know, have a little money, a little spending money, and just get something something what I want, you know. So it's not all the time, but it'll be cool to find the good stuff. So open your nut. That's enough. Purple. Well, let's see here. I know I do want to do like one of those. I want to get like a, I think sometime I want to get one of those mystery boxes. Those are like a lot of money. Wait, there's something in there. Okay, there's nothing else. There. Put that on the floor. So, I'm going to show you what it looked like after I opened it. It's like these. I'm going to open it up and see, but there are bats, as you can see. There are bats. Let's see what this is. Whoa. I got something, I opened it up. I was wondering how I was going to put that in there. Oh. So it's okay. These pants, if you want any vintage bat joggers, they're $44.99. And then, total was $55.81. Okay. When I opened it up, it was well, this messed up. This got messed up. But it's a ghost. It's a ghosty. I love the ghosty. Let me know if you guys want videos on this angle. And there's 2 sticks. Ooh. Are you done? Okay. There is a werewolf sticker. I love these. I love the art of these, and I never really seen this one yet. Vampirefreaks here. I know Vampirefreaks used to be like a website for alternative people. And then it got turned into the store. So, alright, we're gonna actually stand up and see how these look. Okay. So, these are what these look like. Yeah, work in my that. I got like XL just in case. Whoa, look at that. They do have pockets in here. Let's see how far. Well, that's pretty far. Okay. Alright, gonna try these on real quick and see how they are. Okay, I got them on. Sick, man. Actually, I'm not disappointed. They feel good. They literally feel good. Good thing I didn't get a large. Those other pants I wore are large. Whew. I'll be going out in these instead. Not those other weird jeans. What do you guys think? Because we got the bats on me. Okay, so my very own opinion on them. They look really nice. They feel really good. It's almost like having skinny jeans in a way, but not really. They're like, in a way they feel big on me when you put them on, but I recommend getting XL if you are maybe in size 38 pants or something like that. Because I think these are good for me because, ignore them. I think they're good for me because I'm gonna be losing weight and I can adjust these pants with the drawstring just in case, but I think they're overall really good quality. They're really comfortable, and that's what I love. So I'm gonna just wear these when I go out and stuff because they are very comfortable. Except I can't hook my wallet on it. I just have to put my wallet in my pocket, but that's okay. And the pockets are really big. I like them. You get the quality of being comfortable and emo and goth and alternative and scene and whatever you are, and just feel comfortable. So, boy. Anyway, leave a like if you like this video. As soon as I buy more Vampirefreaks stuff, I'll show it off and stuff like that. So yeah, leave a like. Social media is down below. Music, merch, all that stuff. Always remember to stay strong, stay positive, and stay focused. And happy Halloween. Bye.